How you doing, guys? It's Joe here at Jordanbikes in Leeds, and welcome to the video of this gorgeous 2019 69 plate Kawasaki Versys 650 GT. Well, what a beautiful bike this one is. It's all done 6,406 miles. Been the GT, you get them LED spotlights. You get the fully adjustable Kawasaki screen. You get the full 3-box luggage as well, which is all colour coded and does use the same key as the ignition. And I'll just show you. Boom, boom, boom. It has got the inner bags. It's a beautiful bike. It's got some engine protection, heated grips from Oxford. It's actually been lowered a little bit as well, and it's got a comfort seat on there. You get a full digital display, you get ABS, and they're a fantastic bike to ride. Restricted, you can actually ride these on an A2 licence as well. So you can see the lowering kit there. You've got a fully adjustable rear shock as well there for the preload. But really cool bike, fantastic to ride, really silky smooth, and they're a good seller. So if you do want this one, be quick, get yourself down to Jordanbikes, so give us a call. Thank you for watching.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.